Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to restore post from Facebook or Facebook page. If you delete any post from your Facebook page or Facebook, how you will be able to restore it. So let's get started. Here you're seeing that a post from my face. I am going to delete a post from my face. Then I'm clicking move to bin. Items in your bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. You can delete them before your bin earlier by going activity lock. Then I have deleted it from my Facebook page. Now how I will restore it? First of all, you have to select your face. If you see here professional dashboard, that means you are on that page. If you didn't see any professional dashboard icon, you have to switch it from the top right corner. I'm showing you an example. Here I'm searching my page. Now there is no professional dashboard sign or option, so I'm switching it first. Click profile icon, then select page, or you can switch it from the below icon. I am clicking over my page. Now you are seeing that professional dashboard edit option. First of all, you have to click settings. After clicking settings, you have to search activity lock. Scroll down and look for activity lock. Click over activity lock. Then scroll down again and search for recycle bin. Click over recycle bin. Here you are seeing that deleted post. Click select that post which you want to get back on your Facebook page or Facebook profile. Then click restore. Items you restore to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they are moved to recycle bin. Click restore. Now you're seeing that no post here yet. Then we have to go back Facebook page or Facebook profile. Click over Facebook logo. Then click over your face icon or face name. If you didn't see any post, give a reload. Now you're seeing that two posts are visible which I deleted from my face. So that's all. Thanks for watching.